White pine needle tea is a hidden gem for health. Rich in vitamin C, it can boost immunity, fight colds, and improve respiratory health. It also contains antioxidants that combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and supporting overall wellness. The tea's natural compounds, like flavonoids, have been linked to better circulation and heart health. Traditionally, it has been used for its soothing effect on sore throats and to relieve congestion. Enjoy a warm cup of white pine needle tea to harness nature's immune-boosting power.